It's coming up to Halloween, a scary time for all. There can be so many things to be scared of: witches, ghosts, global recession, your wife running away with another man, your wife running away to become another man. All frightening things, to be sure. But why should you be scared of using a battery adapter? On one hand, the battery adapter is a very useful thing. If you've only got a dewalt battery and you've got a makita tool, for example, in this case, you can connect it to your own business. You think, what's wrong with that? The thing about these little generic beauties is they could, in fact, be damaging your batteries and or tools. For the simple reason, a battery adapter's only got two terminals here, a plus and a minus, so it's connecting plus to plus, and minus to minus. But all your batteries of your different brands of tools have more connections, depending on the battery on the tool. But these connections are there for a reason. The circuit board in this and the circuit board in your tool, for example, communicate with each other. So if there's a massive power draw or a surge, or the tool's overheating, the battery's overheating, they're designed to break connection, shut down for a period of time, so nothing bad happens, nothing goes wrong. These little beauties bypass that system. So my advice to you is tread very, very, very carefully while using these. Understand what you're doing. I'm not telling you not to use them completely, because you could use that like something that's got stable power coming, like a light or a radio or something like that. It's not surging the power, not like heavy drilling or using a grinder or using a circular saw for your livelihood. It's too much of a risk using this if you're heavy sawing all day, heavy grinding, heavy drilling. It's too much of a risk in your expensive tools. So all the spooky nonsense you'll see over Halloween, my opinion is, this is what you should be really scared of.